I knew from the very start I'd die from a broken heart, unless you said that you loved me. And the first time I saw your face, my life fell into place. I guess I'm no poet with words, but I can honestly say I would bleed crimson for no reason if you asked me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my aching body is lying out on the floor, I'd still go to war for you and bleed crimson. These vows, these promises, I don't say in jest, and I hope you know this. I'm not always so brave, but where there's a will, there's a way. I'll always be there by your side, and I can honestly say I will bleed crimson for no reason if you ask me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my aching body is tired and down on the floor, I'd get up once more for you and bleed crimson. If you asked, I'd give my last breath. I would do anything for you. Are the one my heart beats for. I would bleed crimson for no reason if you asked me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my tired body is dying and down on the floor, I'd get up once more for you and bleed crimson like no one before. For you I'll bleed crimson.
This dance is called Crimson. Choreographed by Alison and Peter of the Dance Factory UK. It's a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate rolling 8 count line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Side, behind, side, cross, side, roll back, recover, quarter turn left, forward, facing 9. Another quarter turn left to 6, big step, side, roll back, recover, side, roll back, recover, step forward, pivot half turn left, facing 12. Section 2, forward, run forward, left, right, left, rock forward, recover, back, cross, angle body to 1, back, hook your left, quarter turn left, now facing 11, quarter turn left to 6, ball step, quarter turn left to 5, forward, half turn left, back, hook your left, now back to 11, run forward, left, right, left. Section 3, facing 11, rock forward, recover, quarter turn right, side, forward, facing 1, recover, 3/4 run around to your left. Each step is a quarter turn left, quarter turn left forward, quarter turn left together, quarter turn left forward, facing 5. Rock forward, recover, quarter turn right, side, facing 7. Rock forward, recover, ball cross, square to 6. Last section, side, rock back, recover, half turn left, back, rock back, recover, half turn right, stepping left, back sweep your left, back sweep your right, back sweep your left, behind side cross. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6 and a 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, a 6, a 7, 8 and a 1, 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5, 6, a 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a. In this dance, during wall 5, you dance 16 counts and restart. Let me show you wall 5 with counts starting facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6 and a 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, a 6, a 7, 8 and a. Square back to 12, 8 and a. This is the end of 16 counts on wall 5. And you restart facing 12 o'clock.好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个 section 右脚开始，旁、后旁、胯旁，后回左转前面对9点，再一个左转面对6点，大步旁后回旁后回前往左边后转回到12点。第二个 section 前往前跑，左右左前回后跨，身体朝1点，后左脚跨勾的时候左转面对11点，再一个左转面对7点，前并，再一个左转面对5点，前往左边后转，右脚到后面左脚跨勾回到11点，往前跑，左右左。第三个 section 还是面对11点，前回右转旁面对1点，前回270往左边跑，每一步1/4左转，左转前，左转并，左转前面对5点，前回右转旁面对7点，前回旁跨还原到6点。最后一个 section 旁后回往左边后转后回往右边后转后左脚绕后右脚绕后左脚绕后旁跨。让我重新开始。这条舞在第5个方向跳完16拍有一个 restart。我来示范第5个方向，面对12点开始。With counts 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6 and a 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, a 6, a 7, A and A， 跑到12点 A and A， 到这里16拍。第5个方向跳完16拍， Restart 12点钟。